Good morning, student. We have started chapter number 12, areas related to circles. Now, in first lecture, we have studied that about properties and some parts of circles. That is segment, chord, sector, diameter, and now this about areas of sector and segment of a circle. We are going to discuss here that how can we find any area of a sector and segment of circle. So let discuss about it, areas of sector and segment of a circle. For that we just recall our memories, that is what is a segment and sector. For that just look at the figure. You can see here given one circle with an arc APB, and two ready OA and OB given that, and by that way you can find two part of this circle here covered by the enclosed area by these two ready, and this arc is called sector. The area enclosed by two this ready and an arc is known as this sector. It is also one sector. It is also covered by it is enclosed by two radii and this arc AQB. So here it is small part of this circle, so we say that it is minor sector and it is a major sector. As well as about segment, the area of a circle enclosed by chord and an arc is known as a segment. This one is a small segment, that is minor segment, and this is major segment. So we are going to find area related to this segment and sector. So by that way we just recall a portion or a part of a circle region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc. The corresponding arc is called a sector of a circle. As you can see here two radii and this arc, and this area known as a sector. This is minor sector and this is major sector. And the portion or a part of a circular region enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc. A chord and corresponding arc is called segment of a circle. Segment of a circle. Remark that when we write segment and sector, many time there is not a describe minor sector or major sector. So whenever there is given sector or segment, that we will mean the minor segment as a segment and minor sector as a sector. If there is written segment, then we mean it minor segment, and if there is given sector, then we mean it minor sector respectively, unless stated otherwise. So now, to find the area related to this sector and segment, first we indicate some identity here. Here you can see that circle with center O, two radius OA and OB. Its length is R, and angle subtended by this an arc is theta. If you want to find angle of major sector, then we just subtract theta from 360 degree. So this is sector, and we want to find this area, this blue colored area we want to find. For that, just let us discuss some things. Now this is no one knowledge. Let us try to find some relation or formula to calculate their areas. Let OAPB be a sector. OAPB This is enclosed area OAPB. Be a sector of a circle with center O and radius R. Let the degree measure of A angle AOB be theta. Theta. AOB be theta. We just assume this angle as a theta. You know that the area of a circle, in fact, of a circular region or disk is pi r square. We know that the area of the circle is known as a pi r square theta. By that way, if you want to find the area of a sector, we just use, for minor sector, we use the formula. As you can see here, area of a sector of a angle theta. We take angle theta that it is any value, 60 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, we can put here. So area of a sector, here given sector, that we mean it minor sector, so area of a sector of angle theta is equal to theta by 360 multiplied by pi r square. This is the formula to find this area of minor sector. So by that way, if you want to find the length of this arc APB, here you can see that arc APB. So this curved region, if you want to find this curved length of this arc, then we use length of an arc of a sector of an angle theta is given by theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Length of circumference is 2 pi r. We just simplify that. Here 180 degree. So it is theta by theta pi r by 180 upon 180 degree. So we use this formula to find length of an arc. So now about find the measure sector. How can we find measure sector? Easily. We have area of minor sector and total area is pi r square. Just subtracting this area from the area of circular region, we can find measure sector. So now let us want to find the area of segment of a circle. Here you can see that AB and arc APB. So this is minor segment and this one is major segment. So we want to find this area. So for that, here you can see that OAB is a triangle. So if we subtract area of this triangle from this sector, if we subtract area of triangle OAB from sector OAPB, then we can find remaining part as a segment. So area of this segment APB, area of this segment APB is equal to area of this sector OAPB, area of this sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. So we can find area of a sector OAPB, that is we know theta by 360 into pi r square. Subtracting area of triangle OAB, we can find the area of segment APB. So two things to find that area of measure sector OAQB and area of measure segment OQB. So just subtract the given minor sector from the total area, that is pi r square, we can find measure sector easily. So using these formulas, let me solve some example, so illustrations, and some question from the exercise. Just remember four formulas and one more about the length of arc. So let us, using this formula, we solve some example. Example 2. Find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 4 centimeter and of angle 30 degree. As you can see in the figure, here given two radii of 4 centimeter and angle is of 30 degree. Also find the area of corresponding major sector. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Here we want to find the area of sector. Sector means minor sector, and after that we find major sector. So simple formula that we know that the given sector is OAPB. OAPB. So area of this sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Here given theta of 30 and pi is 3.14 and r square, that is radius square, 4 into 4. So after solving these terms we can find the answer 4.90 centimeter square approximately answer. So this area covered by this sector is 4.19 centimeter square, as the area, the unit of area is in square, so we find centimeter square. Now we want to find the area of major sector. So we subtract area of this minor sector from total area, that is pi r square. Area of the corresponding sector is given by pi r square minus area of sector OAPB, which is equal to 3.14 into 16 minus 4.19, that is equal to 46.1 centimeter square approximate answer. Alternatively, you can also find the major sector by the formula, that is you have to remember 360 minus theta. What we do? 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. So 360 minus 30 divide upon 360 into 3.14 into 16, because pi r square, that is 4 square 16. 330 by 360 into 3.14 into 16 centimeter square. This is, and it is approximately answer at 46.05 centimeter square, and by that way approximate answer is 46.1 centimeter square. So both from the both the method we can find the major sector by using this formula or by using this formula. Example number 3. Find the area of segment AYB. Here you can see that segment AYB, this area shown in the figure 12.9. If radius of the circle is 21 centimeter and angle AOB is of 120 degree, use pi is equal to 22 by 7. First we want to find the length of chord, because or we want to find the altitude on this chord AB. So just we can find the area of this triangle. For that, just we draw perpendicular from passing through center. So area of, we first find the area of this sector, because we are going to subtract area of this triangle OAB from this sector. After then we can find this segment. So area of this segment AYB is equal to क्या होगा? Area of sector OAYB minus area of triangle OAB triangle OAB. Now area of this sector OAYB is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square, that is 120 is given here. 360 into 22 by 7, 21, 21. After simplifying this, we find 462 centimeter square is the area of this sector OAYB, this sector. Now we want to find the area of this OAB triangle. For finding the area of OAB, draw OM perpendicular to AB. OM. Here we draw OM perpendicular to AB as shown in the figure 12.10. Note that OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB because these are radii of the circle. Therefore, by RHS congruence, triangle OMAMO and BMO are congruent triangle. So here AM and BM are same as well as OM are same. So by this way you can see in the figure, as these two triangle AMO and BMO are congruent. So all parts of these both triangles are equal. Means angle A is equal to angle B, M here equal, and angle O are equal. OA is equal with OB and AM is equal with MB. OM is a common part. So M is the midpoint of AB and angle AOM and angle BOM is half of 160 degree. By congruent triangle 60 it is of 120 degree. So here let OM is equal to x centimeter. OM is x centimeter. Now about cos 60 degree. First we just learn about cos theta. How can we denote cos theta? We study it in a trigonometry. First just for cos theta, let us, given that here triangle OMA, given that triangle and it is a right triangle. For right triangle we use any trigonometry. The cos theta is given by hypotenuse, that is in hypotenuse OA OM nearest side OM divided by hypotenuse OA. So we just remember that nearest side, that is OM divided by OA, hypotenuse OA. We remember that cos theta is given by nearest side, that is OM divided by hypotenuse, and it is theta here given. So we just remember this, cos theta is equal to OM by OA, that is nearest side divided by hypotenuse. So by that way we just take here cos 60 here from cos 60 degree, and the value of cos 60 is 1 over 2. Value of cos 60 is 1 over 2. It is a table that we study in a trigonometry, that cos 60 is 1 over 2. So OM is x, OA is 21, 1 by 2, that is x is equal to 21 by 2. So OM is of 120 by 2 centimeter. As well as we want to find AM and the formula of sin theta. The formula of sin theta, OMA, the formula of sin theta, it is opposite side to theta, opposite side of theta, that is AM divided by hypotenuse OA. This is formula to find sin theta. So related to theta, opposite side AM divided by hypotenuse OA. It is the formula of to find sin theta. So if you know the theta and hypotenuse. So by that, using cos theta and sin theta, we can find other sides of right triangle. Remember that here it should be right triangle. So sin theta, sin 60 degree, am by oa is equal to, and the value of sin 60 degree is root square root 3 by 2. So am is 21 square root 3 by 2 centimeter. So we have om and am. By that way, therefore, AB is 2 times of AM, that is 2 into 21 square root 3 by 2, 2 to cancel, that is equal to 21 square root 3 centimeter. It is the length of AB. So area of triangle OAB is half of base multiplied by altitude. Base multiplied by altitude. AB is a base and OM is altitude. Half of 21 square root 3 into 21 by 2 centimeter, that is equal to 441 divided by 4 square root 3 centimeter square. Now we subtract this area from the sector. So we find the segment AYB, area of segment AYB is equal to 462 minus 441 divided by 460 square root 3 centimeter square from equation 1, 2 and 3. So after taking common term, we find 21 by 4 into in bracket 88 minus 21 square root 3 centimeter square, which is the area of segment AYB. So by this way we can find the area of sector and segment. So solve some example from exercise 12.2. There are given equation number 1 and 2 and also one MCQ type optional MCQ type example, that is question number 4. Solve these 3 example, and it is easy to solve by using these formulas. So find these 3 questions, and if you find any doubt, then you can ask me.